Click on Save button. Click on Save button. Okay, next, close user form. Close user form. Close user form. Okay. So keep one thing in your mind here. Whenever you want to create a new record, simply open the form. Then you can enter the data. The mode of the form is insert mode. Then Oracle will create a new records. So whenever you want to edit existing record, so you have to keep in your mind here. First, we have to query the data by clicking on the find button. But down the line here, don't use the find button. I will give the worker. That's best option. F11 and control F11. So maybe okay, na 1 or 2 days I will tell that how to use the F11 and the control F11. So that is the best practice. Use that option to get the current existing data from the database. Now you can edit the data. So this okay, insert is the different. Then to update the existing records, there's a different process. So now here, Ramu have access to 3 responsibilities. So how you can say Ramu have access to 3 responsibilities? Huh.
Switch button.
Good, yeah. I click on the switch responsibility button. Once I click on the switch responsibility button, if I see this responsibility, then easily I will come to know Ramu have access to that many responsibilities. That's a good year. Okay, now just click on the switch responsibility button. Now I could see 3 responsibilities: application developer. The second one is the sysadmin. The third one is the XML publisher, administrator. These 3 responsibilities I have. So now here, I don't want to give the access to application developer. I want to, okay, remove the access to Ramo. So please help me. At any cost, Ramo won't use the application developer responsibility. I want to disable that. Please help me here. Go to same now, security, then user, then define. I want to edit. Edit means you have to click on the find button, then enter username, Ramu, then click on find button. Okay. What should I do? Oracle
Remove
won't, Oracle won't allow to delete the data. మీకు delete ఉంటుంది కానీ disable ఉంటుంది. You could see delete option is there for most of the records. This delete is disabled. So Oracle won't allow to delete the data. Instead of deleting the data, Oracle will allow you to disable. That means end date.
the
So for
affected
application
dates.
developer, I'm putting end date as the, I think 31st means you could see. Better will give the 30. 30 means I can't give you. What I will do, I will change this date to 30 from date. Then I'm giving the end date as the yesterday date. Yesterday date. Then save. Click on save button. End date. Okay, na? Now okay, na? Click on switch responsibility button. Now you won't see the application developer. So like that. So by putting the end date, okay, nothing but a okay, to date or end date, make can call it as the to date also by setting the end date value. So okay, not only the responsibility here, most of the records have the same. Okay, now we have to set the end date. Then the record will be terminated. Okay, so again I want to give the permission here. Security, user, define, F11, enter your username, control F11, then remove the to date. That's it. That's it. Okay. Now again, Ramo will have access to this responsibility. So now tell me here how to disable the existing record by setting the end date, or we can set the to date. Both are same here. Okay. Okay. So now we are good here. So today we log in with the log into Oracle applications with the operations and the user welcome password. And okay, now we went to sysadmin responsibility, security, user define. Then we created a new user by entering the username, entering the password 2 times, then adding the application developer sysadmin. Click on the save button, log out from front end. Then again relog into Oracle applications with the new username Ramo. Then enter the password 12345. Click on submit. Then okay, the screen okay, will change it to reset the password. So enter the current password, new password, confirm new password. Then I change it to 54321, click on the save button. Then I click again, I go to sysadmin responsibility, security, user defined, query my username. Then I added one more responsibility, XML publisher administrator. Click on the save button, then close the user and click on the switch responsibility button to check whether I have access to that new responsibility or not. So if you want to disable the existing record, again go to security user defined, then click on the find button, enter Ramu, then click on the find button, then put the end date, nothing but a to date, then save the record. So this many operations today we have okay, now we have completed. Yeah. Okay. So any queries today? సో మీరు కూడా ఈరోజు అందరూ కొత్త యూజర్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. లేదు ఎక్కడైనా స్ట్రక్ అవుతే మాత్రం నన్ను అడగండి. సో ఈరోజు నాకేమి మీటింగ్స్ కానీ ఏమి ఉండవు. సో నో, ఓకేనా, ఓన్లీ ఒకటి ఉంది ఇంటర్వ్యూ 3 to 4. So I can manage here, no problem. If you want, I can come to Zoom meeting. I will help you here. So today we have to complete that's a user practice and add 3 responsibilities finally. So today I want to only one screenshot from you. I don't want multiple here. So complete all the setups. Click on the switch responsibility button. Send this a screenshot. What is the meaning of this? Then I will come to know easily. So you done all the setups, whatever the setups today I have told. I want only one screen to show this. That's application developer, sysadmin, and XML publisher administrator. That's it. Yeah, I don't want more than that. Okay. Any queries today? సో నిన్న మీ బ్యాచ్ వెంకటేష్కి చేసాము, ప్రాక్సీ దొరికిపోయాడు, అంటే లిప్సింగ్ సరిగా చేయలేదు. సో మీరు కూడా ఎవరు ఓకేనా ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్కి వచ్చి ప్రాక్టీస్ అలవాటు చేసుకోవాలి లిప్సింగ్, ఓకేనా, వేరే వాళ్ళు ఎలా ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఇస్తున్నారు. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఓకేనా టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఇయర్, అది మెయిన్ మనకి ఇంపార్టెంట్ అది, ఓకేనా, దెన్ ఓన్లీ విల్ గెట్ ద జాబ్. సో ఇంత కష్టపడి మనం లిప్సింగ్ చేయలేదంటే మళ్ళీ ప్రాబ్లం అయిపోతుంది. వెంకటేష్ ఉన్నావా?